Hello, in my today's video I am going to make colors. First I am going to add 1 drop of red color. Next I am going to add 2 drops of blue color. And at last I am going to add 2 drops of yellow color. So now I am going to add 3 drops of yellow color in the red cup mix. And I am also going to mix it. So now I made a new color like orange. So now I am going to add 2 drops of red color in the blue cup. And also I am going to mix it also. And now I am going to add 2 drops of blue color in the yellow cup also. See, now I got different colors like orange, black and green. This is the experiment. So thank you for watching this video and subscribe and like. And also, the primary colors cannot be created by mixing other colors, but they can be combined in different proportions to make all the other colors. The other colors made by mixing 2 primary colors are called secondary colors. This was a fact.